Don't write anything now. One by one we'll be asking. Don't write anything. You'll have to observe. Close all your books. Keep your pencil on the desk. Fold your hands or keep your hands on the table. Look at the screen. Don't write anything. Just look at the screen. Okay, let me take the names of the children. Just look at the screen and start reading. There is nothing very difficult for you, but you just see. Ma'am will read slowly. Read the following table carefully. Don't write anything, children, and check whether the statements that follow are true or false. So you have to be very careful. You cannot learn from somewhere. You have to observe. Okay, you keep all this in your mind. The question is, observe the table fully, and some statements are written down, A, B, C, D, and you have to tell me whether the statements are true. If you don't understand, you can ask me very well. Okay, now let's see what is it about. Now, pear, fruit's name is pear. You will call pears. Number of children, they like 20 of them like pears. 10 of them like apple. 30 of them like plum. 5 of them like guava. 35 of them like mango. Okay, least means less, more means the highest. Okay, now I'm just going to start. Okay, you don't worry about anything. I'll just start. The first question is, pear is the least liked fruit. Meaning of it is, less children like pear. You have to say whether statements are true or false. Don't say now. Let me ask one child now. Arush, can you tell me whether that statement is true or false? The meaning of it is, pear is the less number of children like pear. Is it right?
False, ma'am.
False. Now, which fruit children like the least? From the table, you tell me.
Guava.
Guava. Okay, guava. Now listen. Pear is the least liked fruit. So you're writing F. You're writing F. That means that statement is false. Very good. Now, Kanira, can you read the second one, B? Can you read the second one, B?
Apple is like the most.
Wait. Apple is like the most means many children like apple. Many, the most number of children, the highest number. Is it true, Kanira?
Ma'am, false, ma'am.
Which fruit children like the most?
35.
Look. Which fruit children like the most from the table? Highest number.
And 35.
35. What? Tell me the name of the fruit.
Mango.
Hope all would have understood this. Mango. They like mango the most. Okay, very good. Now, Sri Mukilan, I will help you. C. You read C. 15. Come on, read. Children, when I call Sri Mukilan, that's different, and M Mukil, M is different. Sri Mukilan, read C from the screen. 15 more people
15 more people like mango than apple.
Now, you just listen to me, okay? Mango is 35. What is the number of children like apple? Straight to apple, what is it?
10.
10. If you add 15 to 10, what will you get? 15 plus 10. What will you get? What is it? Just tell me. 15. You add 10 to that. 15 plus 10.
15.
Tell me.
10.
What is it?
2.
Just write down 10 plus 15 and add and tell me the answer.
25.
25. But 15 more people like mango than people. So you're getting 25 and mango is 35. So tell me whether that statement is true. 15 more people like mango than apple. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
No, Mukilan. You got 25 if you add 15. Now just keep it, okay? It's not necessary for you to learn it by heart. 15 more people means 15 plus 10, you got 25. So mango should be 25. No. 15 more people like mango than apple means that's only 25. But what is the number of children for mango? Straight to mango, what is it? 35. So that's wrong. Now, Cyrus, did you understand this, Cyrus?
Yes, ma'am.
25 children only is mentioned over there. But children, those who like mango, number is 35. Okay. You can just think over it because you're too small. Ma'am won't give like this questions, but ma'am is taken from some other book and I want you to learn. Good. Turn off your mic. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
now 1 minute. Aratrika,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read the statement D, last one, D?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Children.
Children like mango more than plum.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Is it true or false?
True?
True. Are you telling true?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I will give the explanation. Children, just look at the screen here. Plum 30. Mango 35. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
What is the page number?
No page number. Is it Judah? 1 minute, Judah. Judah. Now who's asking page number? Manu. Manu, no page number, Manu. This is from
ma'am.
Aratrika, very good, Aratrika. Cyrus, Aratrika, turn off your mic. Okay, no page number. Just look at the screen. Hope you would have understood all that. Okay. What happened, Ansh? Nothing to write now. Let me go back. No page number. Those who are joining. So children like mango more than plum. Plum number is only 30. Goa 5. Mango 35. Now I want some more children to answer this. 1 minute. Now, Mishti, can you read the first one, Mishti? A. Mishti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read. Pear
Pear is the
like
largest
fruit. Leaf like fruit. Is it true or false?
False, ma'am.
Okay, tell me which is the least liked fruit.
Apple and mango, ma'am.
No, listen, look at the screen. Mishti, just see which number is less over here. Less means least. Which one?
Goa, ma'am.
Goa. Very good. So the answer is false. Now second one, Ridham. Can you read second one, Ridham? B. Apple is. Ridha, are you there? Okay, next child. Sona, can you read, Sona? Okay, Rida. Sona, just Sona, wait. Let Rida say the second one. B. Rida, read B. Apple is
Apple is like the most
most. They are just telling the statement that most of the children like apple. Is it true, Rida?
yes ma'am. True ma'am.
Tell me the number of children like apple.
10.
Number of children like mango.
35.
So they like apple or mango.
Mango ma'am.
Then how can you tell apple only they like the most? No. Understood? Yeah, that's what I'm asking some other children also. So apple less number. Which one is more? That fruit only liked by the children, because there's 35 children like mango. 5 of them like guava. 30 of them plum. So first, second, third, fourth, 5. Okay, Vidya. Now Sona, please read D.
Yes ma'am.
Please read D. D.
Okay ma'am.
Children.
Children like mango more than plum.
True?
True ma'am.
Yes. How many of them like mango?
35.
How many of them like plum?
30.
30. So you have 5 numbers more than the plum for the mango. Very good, children. Now let's see the next one. Count and answer the questions that follow. Okay, now, children, what you must do now, children? 1 minute. Count the number of, just look at all the figures over there. Don't write anything. Count and answer the questions that follow. Now, Abhisha, count the number of rectangles, Abhisha. Children, I'll tell you something. See, this is one rectangle, this one rectangle, this one square, rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. And this one square, children. Rhombus, when you turn it, it looks like a square. Now, Abhisha, can you count and tell me the number of rectangles over here? Abhisha? Not there. Okay, Tridip. Okay, sorry, Tridip. Abhisha, come on. Can you count and tell me how many, Abhisha?
3.
Now tell me, did you count this, Abhisha?
Yes ma'am.
This one?
Yes ma'am.
This one?
Yes ma'am.
This one? No.
No ma'am.
But that's rectangle, it's not square. So how many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. A square means all the 4 sides should be equal. This is not equal, okay? This is not equal. This 2 parallel sides are equal. So Abhisha, okay, very good, Abhisha. One more child. Get here, can you count the number of rectangles? 1. Get here. Jemima. Can you count? Just look at the screen. 1.
What ma'am? 1, 2,
3.
3,
And 4. That's only 4. Okay, because I told you this is not a square. Okay, good. Now the next child is Juansri. Juansri.
ma'am.
Children, it looks like oval, but it's circle. Okay, when you take the picture, it is little bit like oval, but that's not oval, it's circle. Juansri, can you read B? Can you read B?
How many circles are seen in the picture?
Yeah, tell me.
3.
Okay, just Juansri, look at the screen. 1, 2, 3. Now, Pratika, Juansri is telling there are 3 circles. Is it right? Pratika? Pratika Advi, is it right? Okay. Okay, now Sona finished. Birti, how many circles are there? Okay. Ansh, can you tell me, Ansh, how many circles are seen in the picture?
3, ma'am.
Very good, Ansh, very good. Now, we are going to the next one. Dhruv, read C and tell me the answer. How many?
Ma'am,
How many?
how many triangles are seen in the picture?
Count and tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. There are triangles. There are 4 triangles, and this is the square over here. It's like a rhombus. Okay, when you just turn it. 1 minute. Now, which shape is lesser in number? I just want Alan to answer. Alan,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read D?
Yes, ma'am. Which shape is lesser in number?
Yeah, which one?
Ma'am, circle, ma'am.
No, what about this? Once again, Alan, once again think and tell me. What is this, Alan? 1 minute. What is this?
Ma'am, square, ma'am.
And what is this? Turn that and say. That also square, but turned upside down. So how many squares are there?
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am.
No, who said? Alan, this is not square. Only one and two. So which shape is less in number?
Square.
Square. You must tell. Somebody else is telling. I don't know who's that. Let me see. Which shape is lesser in number is square. If you take this as a square also, and only 2 are there, because you just turn it's a rhombus. Just see the other way. Okay. Okay, children. So 4 rectangles, 3 triangles. Sorry, 4 triangles, then 3 circles. Okay, children. Now, good, darling. Now, next question goes to John Matthew. John, are you ready? Can you read?
Ma'am.
John, how are you, John?
Fine, ma'am.
Very good. Can you read E from the screen? Is the number?
The number of circles and squares the same?
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. Tell me the number of circles.
1, 2, 3.
Tell me the number of squares.
1, 2.
2. So, just say the question once again. Read. Is the number of circle and square the same? Is it the same?
No, ma'am.
Yes. All you have to think is you have to go back and you have to find out. Number of circles, 3. Number of squares, 2. No. Hope all would have understood this. Now let's see the next one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just look at the screen, children. Just look at the screen. Only you are going to answer. Not that the teacher conducted. Nothing to write. Let me see you all. Hope all are fine. Dhruv, turn off your mic. Sonagal, Abisha, Rida, all of you turn. Just, and I'm very happy to see you. Good boy. And you have to answer when I ask you questions. Now, not this class because I asked you this class questions. Only when we come to English. Sonas and Dhruv, even Rida. Mic is off. Okay, now. Let's see the next question, okay? You can read it by yourself. By the time ma'am will just read for you. Nothing to write, nothing. The teacher, like me, one teacher in a class, the teacher conducted maths quiz in the class and noted the number of correct answers given by the students. Even we used to conduct like that. Okay, the teacher compiled the information of the following table. So, ma'am, the teacher had a list of children like how I have in my hand. They had a list of, list means name list of the children. And they had some columns for entering the marks. Like whenever they tell the correct answer, ma'am will give 1 point. Like name of the student, first one, Ashish. And he got 10 correct answers. Pen, 8. Chant, 7. Derek, 13. Girish, 10. Kheer, 14. Now, just keep all this in your mind. The name of the children, all these children, and how much they scored. Ashish scored 10 points. Ben scored 8 points. Chant scored 7. Derek 13. Girish 10. Kheer 14. Now, let's see. Observe the table and answer the following question. Now, this question goes to, I asked somebody now. Tridip, read the first question. A, letter A. How many? Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
First
How
one.
many students have 10 correct answers?
How many number?
2 children, ma'am.
2 children, not children, 2 students or children. Now, what
Okay, ma'am.
tell me the names of them. Ashish,
Ashish and
Girish.
Girish.
Not 4. No, that's wrong. No. Correct. No, listen to me. Listen. 2 of them got 10 points. And here, Derek got more than 10. Okay. Derek got more than 10. So no need. Actually, sir is written here. Derek got more than 10. He got more than 10. You don't. 1 minute. Correct. Tridip, 1 minute. Tridip, 2 of them got 10. That's right. How many students have 10? You have to write only 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's right. Sir has found out that more than 10. That's right. That's not correct. That means Derek got more than 10. He got. No. 1 minute. I'm not giving you the answer. Wait, I'll give you. Second one. Second, ma'am. Name the student who gave the maximum number of correct. Tridip, very good. Shaina, can you tell me second one? Shaina.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the student who gave the maximum number of correct answer. Who got the
Kheer.
most? Who's that?
Kheer.
Kheer. Now I am not giving you the answer because I want you to do this in your classwork. Not now. Wait. Now see, because I want to ask 3 children. Now, next child is Juanshree. Juanshree.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, see, please read.
Name the student who gave least number of correct answers.
Name, 1 minute. Name the student who gave least number of correct answers. Name the student who gave less number of correct answers. Juanshree.
Chan.
Who? Chan. Very good. Tell me the number. How many correct answers he gave? Juansri, how many correct answers Chand gave?
7, ma'am.
7. Good. The last one is for Sanvi. Sanvi, read the last question.
Name the students who have scored less than 10.
Name the students who have scored less than 10. Less than 10. That means you have to see the table over here. Okay, you have to see to the table. 1 minute. Now, those who got less than 10. Those who got less than 10. Just see, children. And Juansri, tell me how many of them got less than 10? Less than 10. That means how many? Just look at the table.
Ma'am, I'm Sanvi.
Sorry. I thought it's Juansri. Sanvi, tell me. Sorry, Sanvi.
Ben and Chad.
Who and how? Name the students. Ben
And Chad.
Only 2 of them. Okay, very good. Now, everybody understood this. Now, some more children, I want to ask the question. Let them answer. Now, Israelina, read the first question. How many
students have 10
correct answers? 10 correct answers. 10. How many students have 10 correct answers?
How many students have 10 correct students?
Correct answers. 2. How many means 2? You know, I'll give you explanation. Ashish and Girish got exact 10. But here, Derek got 13. He got 14. So, if I ask you a question. Now, okay, very good, Israelina. I want...
Thank you.
1 minute. Good. Now I want Cyrus to answer. The question is different, not from the text. How many students have more than 10 correct answers? How many students have more than 10 correct answers?
Derek and Heath.
Listen, ma'am. 10 and, okay, this is more than. Very good. Derek and he. Now, how you must listen to the question. That is, I asked more than 10. Now, listen. How many students? This question goes to Effie. How many students have 10 and more than 10 correct answers? How many students have 10? Number, and more than 10.
Two, ma'am.
How many?
Two, ma'am.
Oh, no, listen. Effie, 2 students have 10. So you have to add that 2. How many students have, not from the screen, how many students have 10 and more than 10? How many of them got more than 10? 2. 13 and 14, Derek and Heath. And 2 of them got 10. 2 of them got more than 10. So altogether, how many of them got 10 and more than 10?
Ashish and Girish have 10 and Derek and he has more than 10.
So 4 of them. So when I, excuse me, when I ask you the number, you must give only the number. Children, they may ask you like this to compile. Now, one more question. This is for 1 minute. Shashwata, can you tell me The total number of children, those who got below 10. Total number of children, those who got less than 10. Total number of children, those who got less than 10. Total number of children, those who got less than 10. Yes? Shashwat is not there. Okay, now Tanvi. Can you tell me, Tanvi? Tanvi also is not there. Okay. Tanvi, are you there? Is it Tanvi? I don't know what happened. Okay, now those who are there, I will ask. Dhruv, can you tell me, Dhruv? Can you tell me how many of them got less than 10 correct answers? Number.
Ma'am, 2.
2 of them, very good. And both of them together only 15. 2 children. Names, only if I ask names, you'll have to say the name. But now, only you must tell the number. Now let's see now. Children, 1 minute. You can